Hello and welcome to another Miss Alley Cat DIY video. I have a haul to show you all. This is an accumulation of items that I've picked up over the past week or so from Hobby Lobby and my local Dollar Tree. So without any further ado, let's get into this haul. I'm going to go ahead and start this haul off strong with what I got at Hobby Lobby. I purchased two of these really pretty pieces of wood. See if I can zoom out. Here they are. This is for an upcoming DIY, possibly. And these were $7.99 each from Woodpile. They were not on sale, unfortunately, but that's okay. I thought they were really pretty and very nice for DIYs. There's a little bit of a ding that I didn't see, but I can totally just sand that down, so I think it should be okay. Alrighty. I also picked up two of these really cute mason jars for like decorating. Oh, and I'll set that aside and I'll show that in 1 second. But I just thought these mason jars were so beautiful, and at the time that I purchased these, they were half off. And they're originally $7.99. It just says home decor, and I just thought they were really super pretty, and I need them to hang. And you'll understand what that means when you see the DIY that I'm going to use these for. Not sure when that's going to come out, but I'm planning on doing it soon. The next thing I purchased, their ink was on sale at the time of purchase. I'm saying that because it may or may not be on sale right now. Their sales do go back and forth though, so it's possible. But I got this Versa color, I think, I can't see, oh yeah, Versa color, and it's just black ink for $6.99. It's paper crafts, and I just really wanted some ink that I could use to emboss if I wanted to. I'm starting to get into rubber stamps again, so super excited about that. This Stay Wild block pad has 100 sheets. It was on clearance at the time of purchase for $2.24. So that's really cool, and you get a ton in there. And I really like the grid pattern that it has on there. I don't know if you can see, but I really like that, so I picked that guy up. The last thing that I got from Hobby Lobby, all of their ribbon was on sale when I got all this stuff, and I found this really cool chicken wire. It was originally $4.99, and it's just a thin ribbon of chicken wire. There you can kind of see it. I was hoping that they had more chicken wire, but at least my Hobby Lobby didn't, but this is still pretty cool, so I picked that guy up. Now, let's move on to what I picked up from Dollar Tree. Okay, so I didn't get a ton, but I got some really cool stuff. I got two of these, I'll just set this aside, two of these really pretty like baskets for like paper, or you could use it for whatever you want. I'm hoping to do a DIY with these, but I thought they're just beautiful. They're this really pretty gold color, and they do have other shapes of baskets, other sizes and stuff. For $1, that's pretty darn good. I recently have been looking on Amazon for something similar, and it was like 20 bucks. So, $1? Yeah, please. So I got two of them. Kind of hard to see the other one, but there's two of them. The next thing I picked up, I found this in like the Fun Finds area. It's this 3D sticker bag. I just thought that was the coolest thing ever. I probably will use this for like journaling. Let me just open it up real quick for you, because I'm super excited about this. It's just so cool. So inside of it, you can put whatever you wanted, but it's a Ziploc bag basically. And it has these really cute little hearts in it. Why am I bending my hand like that? That one says I love you, and it's kind of see-through. And I was hoping that this mason jar was a sticker. I'm not entirely sure if that is true, but I mean, you could always glue it down to whatever. See, I was hoping to use this in journaling. I think I said that, but sorry, I'm excited. And then put in here memorabilia or whatever I wanted to, or perhaps even just these cute hearts, depending upon how I'm feeling. But yeah, super cute, and I'd totally pay $1 for that, because I did. The next thing I picked up was this really cute headband. It just says headband, and it's these fake pearls. Yeah, super cute. $1, yes please. And the last item I got was this pink truck. It's for Easter, obviously, but I just thought it was super adorable, and also I picked it up because it's the truck and it's a wreath form. So even if it's not Easter, I mean, I could always cut these eggs off, and then I have the truck in a wreath form. So yeah, I picked that up for $1. So that is everything that I picked up this week from my local Hobby Lobby store and my Dollar Tree. I really love everything I got. I'm super excited for maybe DIY potential and just fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please feel free to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. And if you'd like to see even more videos like this from me and shop with me's and other hauls and DIYs, feel free to click on that notification bell to be notified the very next time that I upload a new video. With that being said, this is Miss Alley Cat DIY signing off. Until next time, bye-bye!